Hello everyone and welcome to another update on the conversion of the garage. So I've attached some plywood and I'll just show you what I've been doing and talk you through what I'm doing with the plywood. So as you can see, I've attached plywood to the walls going around the garage. What's key for attaching them to the actual wooden columns that I've put up, the battens, is making sure there's space in between. So obviously I've left a little bit of a room there to attach another one to the other side, and I've done that more or less all the way around, approximately putting about 10 screws down the centre of the battens and also fitting them on here as I have here. Here's one, and it's just a matter of giving it an extra layer of insulation. Obviously you can see I've got the Kingspan insulation there, very similar to the Celotex stuff, but we're in the process of starting to turn this insulation that I've put in the roofs. The only problem I've got that I can foresee in terms of putting the insulation in as well as the plywood is the corners. I have no idea because I've got, as you can see, there's no wood here. Obviously there's a beam there and a beam near the middle, so I'm going to have to be quite creative here to figure out a way of attaching the plywood to that beam that I just showed you, and something here. So that's the challenge I faced in terms of, obviously I need to put a bit of insulation in there as well in that corner. As you can see, there's another corner at that end where the garage meets the wall. However, I just wanted to talk you through what I'm doing at the moment. Also, I want to talk you through the power cabling that I've done here. I've put a hole through the batten that I've put a cross beam across the two battens there and there. So we'll be able to attach plugs to that quite easily, and obviously the cabling runs all the way up through there. The cabling goes along the roof. Obviously you can see some cabling there. So the power is running through this batten that's running alongside the two battens that I've got there. Now it's so the electrics is quite a challenge. So I've drilled a hole through this side batten that's attached to the two battens going vertically. It basically runs all the way up there. As you can see, there's a cabling there. Runs all the way along here. We've got cabling there for the lights. Some more cabling for another light there as well. It runs all the way down there to where I've attached, obviously we've got cabling there, as you can see, which I've had to drill a hole through the plywood. So we're going to duplicate what's on here over there, and hopefully this gives you more of an idea of where we're at. There's not many videos on YouTube on how to go about doing this, so I hope you find this video informative, and I'll see you in the next update.